The Four Horsemen custom diecast build team was formed in January 2020 with 4 members. The idea was to push each other to increase their skills. If you've been a follower, then you know that the names and faces have changed over the years for various reasons. At the end of this year, the Four Horsemen are saying goodbye to Xavier Sepulveda, one of the original 4 founding members, who has informed us that he's stepping down. This is our tribute video to him. For 7 years, Xavier has been uploading his custom creations and sharing his vast die-cast knowledge with us on his YouTube channel, and for the last 3 years as one of the Horsemen. On Diecast Show Customs, he has covered just about every how-to topic with a tutorial video so many of us have benefited from how to make your own articulating 4x4 suspension, to etching flame designs, how to mix your own Spectraflame paint, and even how not to hydro dip. Diecast Show Customs is truly one-stop shopping for those new to the hobby, as well as for those who are well-versed in the intricacies of making one-of customs. You can tell that Xavier's never been in a rut from simply perusing the thumbnail pics on his YouTube channel. You'll see gassers, Mad Max vehicles, buses, redline restorations, steampunk customs, and more. Here are some of the highlights of his builds, including several Four Horsemen invitationals. Thank you, Xavier. We'll miss your regular contributions to the Four Horsemen and wish you all the best as you move forward and pursue your interests. You've left a legacy behind, and we'll all continue to follow your work. In January, the Four Horsemen are welcoming 2 new permanent members to the team. Welcome to Caliber 50 Customs and Go Bears Diecast Workshop. We'll also be continuing to have a different guest horseman each month. We hope you'll continue to follow along and take part.
2023 is going to be an incredible year, and we've got some really cool news to share with you folks so we can make it easier for you guys to participate in the upcoming builds. My name is Uncle Paulie with Diecast Graveyard, representing the Four Horsemen. Cheers.